Okay, let's talk about something that's hiding in almost everything you eat: seed oils. Yup, those heart-healthy oils like canola, soybean, sunflower, corn oil. They sound innocent, right? But here's the truth: they might be doing more harm than good. These seed oils are highly processed oils extracted from, you guessed it, seeds. But here's the kicker: they go through crazy chemical refining, bleaching, and deodorizing just to make them edible. They were originally industrial oils, not something our grandparents cooked with. In fact, bees didn't even become popular until the last century. The problem? Most seed oils are loaded with omega-6 fatty acids, and when your omega-6 to omega-3 ratio gets out of balance, it can fuel inflammation in your body. And inflammation is linked to so many modern issues, from joint pain, skin problems, brain fog, to even stubborn weight gain. So while they look like a healthy swap for butter or coconut oil, your body might be paying the price behind the scenes. So what can you do? Swap out those industrial oils for more natural fats, things like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, grass-fed butter, or ghee. They're less processed, taste amazing, and support your hormones, brain, and metabolism, instead of working against them. At the end of the day, it's not about fear, it's about awareness. Check your labels. You'd be surprised how often seed oils sneak into dressings, snacks, and even healthy protein bars. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who loves food, and follow for more real talk on nutrition and wellness.